Hello guys, this is your 8th 3ds Max class. So in this class, we will learn how to create different kind of shapes like parametric shapes and shapes like creating a lower kind of shapes. And then we learn how to create stairs, that kind. So let's begin with this class. Now first, let's create a line. Go to shapes and click on line. And before clicking on line, just change this to smooth and smooth, like curvy line. So click here and just click over here, click here, and you should click here. Press escape. So with using smooth and smooth, we can get lines like this, curvy and smooth lines. Now go to geometry and let's create one block like a lower and change this. Go to modify, change this length by 2 inch by 2 inch and height, the height be 7 feet. Okay. And now once selecting this box, select this box. Now go to tools. Under the tools, go to align and then click on spacing tool. Go to tools, then under the tools align, and in this align, click on spacing tool. Once click on spacing tool, take this here. Now there's option called pick path. So our path is this curve now. So click on pick path. Just go and select this curve. So now you can increase the counts, number of counts. See, like this, we can increase the counts. So let's keep it like this, 30 counts. And click on this follow so that when you see, okay, when we click here, this will be count because we didn't apply here. So again, click on this line. Now it will appear. But just zoom, if you just click one click over the screen, this will be gone. See, this will be gone. So again, you have to click on this line, select this shape, and now, yeah, now we have to see the, see, so this is, so if you click on the screen, it will be gone. So make sure this box is selected and then click again here, 2 times. These things will appear again. So just see if all the boxes are facing on one side. So to change the shape facing along the curve, just click on this follow. If you click on follow, see things is going along the curve. So like this, we can create lower kind of shapes. So let's try this with another thing. See, we have to apply it and close it. Then now nothing will happen. So we have to keep that in the mind. Now let's create another shape. Now let's create ellipse. Like this we will create and go to tools. Select this object first. Select this object first. This is the lure which we want to apply here. So now go to tools, click on align, and on align, click on spacing tool. Now pick path. This is our path. Click here, and now just increase the number of things that you want. Okay, like this. This much is enough. Center or edge. Edge means the shape. The this lure will be at the edge of line. Just keep it as center. It will be on center. And if you remove the follow, it will be facing on one side. So that won't look good. So always check on follow so that it will be along the curve, along the line. Now apply it and close. So like this, we can create something like a louver kind of shapes. So now uh, this is a kind of louver kind of shape. Now let's try a parametric kind of shape. So just move this that side. Now let's create a parametric kind of shape. So again go to line, create a line, and make sure this time it is corner and corner so that we will get a sharp edge. Now let's create a line like this. Yes. Now just rotate this. Convenience back, change it to 19. Now rotate this and move upwards, and then go to modify line. So in line always it is applied. We don't need to click on edit plan. If we are creating a rectangle or circle shape, then we have to apply edit plan. Now we created this using line, so it is directly applied. So just click on vertex and select all. Mm, let's okay, select all, and now we'll apply fillet to this. So for fillet, just come down under the geometry. We will have a fillet kind of option. Just click on this fillet and increase this. So like this kind of thing we got. Now go to modifier and apply extrude. Extrude. So we got uh, extrude. Now something interesting that we are going to learn. Just pay attention, guys. Now we are going to learn something interesting. So here you can see something called auto key. Auto key menu. Press N or else just click on this auto key. Now key is applied. Once you click on auto key, the next thing is just move the time frame to 10 seconds. Now move this object. Third thing is to move this object. Let's say move it up to here. And now go on, click on vertex and just click on this and change it. Both sides, change it. And now come out of this and again change the time to 20, and then again move this. Step 2, you have to move it, and step 3, we have to go to modify and change the shape. Again change it like this and come out of this. Now change the time, step 1, and step 2, move the object. This is enough. Step 3, again go to modify, change the shape. Now reduce it, and increase. Now come out of it. Step 1, increase the time to 40. Step 2, move this object little bit. Step 3, go click on vertex, change the shape, and again come out of it, and just next change the time to till 50 seconds, and then again move this, and now go to modify Select on what is and change the shape. Now come out of. Now just drag this timeline to 0. Okay, now go to tools, go to snapshot, click on snapshot and change it to range. Just click on range and then from 0 to until we wait up to 50 seconds. So change this to 50, 0 to 50. And now just give a copies like approximate 20. No, so let it be 200. Let give copies be 200 or 150. It's up to you. Think 150 is okay. So 0 from 0 to till 50 seconds we wait the time and copies let it be 150 and just click OK. Now just turn on this edge face guys. Now see, we have created something like parametric kind of shape. Can you see this? We have created something like parametric kind of shape. Like this we can create parametric kind of shape. You can create any kind of shape. We have done like L shape. From that we have created something parametric kind of shape. We can create any kind of shape and then through that we can create like this. So just try it out guys. So now we learn again something interesting parametric forms using another command called ffd 4 into 4 into 4 like that. So now let's see. Go to create and let's create one cylinder or else first let's create a plane. Just create a plane here like this and go to modify, press F and select this FFD 4x 4x 4. Just click on that and now in this FFD 4 into 4 into 4 there's a play button. Click on this. Just select on control point. Now click on the center 4 points and just move this upward like this. Like this, just move this upward and then click on this corner point, press Control and click on this corner point, press that's all. Just click this point and move it like this, and then just click on this point, Control, and move it like this. Just create something interesting shape, however that you want. Click on this point and just try to move it like this. Okay, click on this point as well. Now move like this. Click on this fourth point and move it like this. So like this, we have formed a shape. Okay. Now next thing is uh, just select this. Now go to modify and just give edit poly. Once click on edit poly, now click on polygon. Just select anywhere and press Ctrl A to select all and give right click, give insert. Now here by polygon, just give an insert value like this. Tick and delete the rest polygons. Just delete the rest polygons. See, like this, we have created something jolly kind of thing. but still this is in plane, not there is no thickness on this plane. So to create a thickness, we'll give a modifier called lattice. Press L, press on lattice, and just select struts only from edges and reduce the value like this. So like this, guys, see guys, like this, we have created something interesting kind of parametric form. Okay, now let's create a sphere. Go and create a sphere. Okay, I have given hemisphere. Okay, let it be like this. Just create a sphere and make it hemisphere by giving a zero point 0.5 value. So that let's create something like a dome. And now make it edit poly. Go to modify and give edit poly. Once giving edit poly, click on polygon and just select all this. The shift is not working. Just press Ctrl and select all. Delete this and now select in one. Press Ctrl A to select all. Right click, insert, pipe polygon, value. Okay. Now go to modify this. Press L to give. First delete this. First delete this, guys. Delete this and now go to modify. Press lattice. Give a lattice to give a thickness. Now just click on struts. Only give on struts only from edges. And this, try to reduce this. So like this, we have created something dome kind of thing. So we have created interesting jolly for a dome. So next, let's create one cylinder. Okay, click on cylinder. This is enough. Now again, go to modify and click FFD. This one, FFD 444. Click on this and here press Control Points. Just click on the top, go and give a scale. Make it like this, like this. And now come to modify, give edit poly. Under edit poly, select on polygon, click, press Control A and give a right click, insert by polygon. Just give something a value 10 like this. Okay, and delete the rest. Now again go to modify, press L, lattice to give a thickness. Just click on struts only. Like this, we can create something kind of parametric kind of shapes. So just try this out, guys. Let's create something, another kind of thing, little bit interesting with same thing. Let's create cylinder again. Go to modify, press F for 4D, click on control point. Now scale this scale it like this. Again, come here. And now let's twist this. Go and press T, twist. Now give a twist. Let it be like this. Twist. And now give edit poly. First go to polygon, select any one of the poly, press Ctrl A to select all, and give a right click, insert white polygon, give a value. Okay. Now delete the rest. Now go to modify, press L, lattice. Just click structs and just reduce the thickness. So like this, you have twisted this thing. Same thing, but you have twisted it. So like this, we can create interesting form, like parametric kind of form. Now next, let's create two cylinders. Like this. Just make a copy of it. Okay. Now select post, go to modify and press this. Press T, twist. Now twist this like this. Twist it like this. Now edit poly, select on polygon, click, give a right click. Okay, not coming. Just press Ctrl A and now come down here. You have insert. Click on this by polygon, give an insert value. This is enough. Okay, and now delete the rest. Go to modify, press L, lattice. Just click structs only and reduce the value. So see guys, like this we can create something interesting kind of form on interior spaces for like column support, and a unique and different kind of thing. So like this using these commands like twist and commands like lattice, creating a jolly kind of thing for our columns. So like this we can create something interesting kind of shapes in interior, or even like this we can create something interesting for exterior as well, like tower kind of thing. So next let's create one more thing. Just create another cylinder like this. Now go to modify, apply this. Just twist it as much as possible. This is enough. Like a twisted column kind of thing. So go to modify, just click edit poly. Now select on polygon, press Ctrl A, select all, give a right click, insert white polygon. Okay, and delete the rest. And now go to modify, press L, lattice. Click on lattice, just select struts only from edges and reduce the value. Let it be like this. See guys, like this, we have created something. In the interior part, we can use such kind of column thing to decorate columns. So like this, we can do something interesting thing. So just try this out, guys. Till here, try this out, guys. Take few minutes, pause this video and try this out. Let's continue the next part in few minutes. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the final part of this class. So, in this part, we'll learn how to import image into 3ds Max or how to import any kind of texture into 3ds Max. So, if you want to import any kind of texture or image into 3ds Max, the only way is through bitmap. We have to use bitmap to import any kind of image or texture. So, the thing is, we have to find where the bitmap is located. To find the bitmap where it is located, just go to material editor, press M or else you have an icon here called material editor. Just click on this icon or else press M. I'm clicking here and now once the material dialog box appears, go to modes. If you have slate material editor like this, if you click on this material editor, if you click on this material editor and it is showing like this slate, if it is showing like this, just change it to go to modes and change it to compact material editor. Slate material editor will look like this. Just go and go to modes and change it to compact material editors. Just click on compact material editors. Now before that, let's create a plane here. Now just let's create a plane here like this and keep the dimensions like equal dimensions. And even a segment should be one. The segment should be one by one. Both the length and width segment should be one. Okay. And now just click on this material editor. Just click on this zero default one. Just click on this material and then under the base color reflections, come to this base color reflections and click over here. Once you click over here, this dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, under the maps, we have four things. Under the maps, we have OSL, General, Arnold, Environment. Just click on General. In the General, we have Bitmap. Just click on Bitmap and press OK. Once you click OK, this dialog box will appear. So now you have to select the image which you want to import into the 3D space. That any texture or image that which you want to import into the 3D image and want to apply on this plane, just select that image. Now I will go to, I will just going to select the image. I want to import this image, like this cornice kind of image. I want to import into this 3D image. So click on open. Once I have done, here that image is applied as a material. Now once the image has applied on this material, just click on it, and then here there is something called assign material to the selection. So this is the plane which I have selected, and now I want to apply this image, apply this material on this plane. So just click on this assign material to the selection. See, like this we got that image. Now just close this, and now move on to the next thing, that will create a cornice kind of shape using line, and then we'll make a cornice running on the interior surface, like already we did in this thing in the previous session using sweep command. Like that we're going to repeat now. Now let's go to shapes and click on line and make sure corner corner. We can change these lines using fillet thing, so that automatically curve will come. So don't need to worry about that. Let's close this file. Yes. And now select the line and move it. Yes, you can freeze this thing. If this also is moving along this line, you can just freeze the image. Now click on this and move it. Now go right click, unfreeze all. Just click on unfreeze all. This will be unfreeze. Like this, you can work. If you get, if you are just trying to move this line, but it is the image is also coming, then you can freeze. Right, give a right click and freeze it, and then unfreeze it. Now we have this thing. Now select this and go to modify. Just click on vertex. Now select all, and now just come down and give fill. Just increase it to give smoothness to the curve. That's all. Now let's create, just rotate this. Make it a 941. Now create a rectangle like this. Now go to modify and apply the command called sweep. Once you click on sweep, we have a use built-in section which are already built in. We can have angle or channel or any kind. See, like these kind of things are already built in. Change to pipe T. Like we already saw this in the previous class. Now to select a custom made profile, click on the use custom section and here just click on pick and now pick a profile. Once you pick a profile, it will be applied here. Now, as we can see, this thing is come on the outer surface. But for interior, we need cornice come inside. So for that, just go here and click on mirror XY. Once you click on mirror on XZ plane, it will be inverted. See, like this is we can create cornice on the interior surface. Like this for interiors, we can create a cornice kind of thing. So uh, we can change the angle as well here. Here there is an option called angle. If you want, we can rotate this. See now we have made it upward side. So just try to change it. Now see we have like something like this. Now again try to change this. See, something like this. Now again try to change it. We came back to the previous session. So like this we can create a cornice. Now there is another method which is called bevel profile. So for interior and exterior, we can use this sweep command to uh, run the profile like this to create a cornice on interior surface or to create something kind of like a classical moldings on the exterior surface. We can use this sweep. But there is another option called bevel profile. That bevel profile is mostly used on exterior facades. Like if you're designing a classical kind of architecture, like you have many things to create a classical molding on the exterior facades. Like that time, you can use an option command called bevel profile. That is especially for exterior architecture, like for classical architecture kind of design. For that, you can use that bevel profile. Now let's see how that profile works. So let's create a rectangle again. And now go to modify. Under the modifier, just type bevel profile. There it is. Just click on it. It is applied. Now just make sure under the bevel profile, just make sure click on classic. Once you click on classic, under the classic you have pick profile. Just click on profile and go and select this. See guys, like this, we have created an exterior classical molding kind of thing. So for exterior, if you are creating something like classical architecture, then you have mostly things of like creating like cornice moldings on the exterior facade. That time you can use bevel profile. But for interiors, you can use sweep command. For sweep command is used for both interior and exterior as well. But this bevel profile will be used only for exterior things, like classical architecture kind of things. Okay, so uh, just try this out, guys. From this, now we learn how to import image into the 3ds Max and how to import any kind of textures into the 3ds Max and how to apply the texture or material onto the plane. And we learned how to trace things from the image. So just try it out, guys. And then we saw the sweep command as we already saw it in the previous class. And now we learned about pivot profile. Just try this out, guys. And then the next thing we'll see about staircase, how to create staircase. So that also we'll see it now. Once I explain you about how to create staircase types of staircase, then you can try all these things at one time. So now let's create a stairs. How to create? Go to geometry. Click on the standard parameters. You have options called extended geometries, compound functions like this. Here at the countdown, you can see called stairs. Just click on it. Under the stairs, we have four options: straight stair, L-type stair, U-type stair, and spiral staircase. So click on straight stairs. Okay, let's delete this. Now click on straight stairs. Drag it. Just click on drag it, and now leave the clip and just move left side or right side, any side. And now again click and now move upwards. Once you move upwards, just still one height. Now again click and that's all. Like this, you can create a stairs, straight stairs. Now come to modify. Under modify, in the parameters you have open, then you have something called close. So under the close, it will appear like this. Now click on box. It is showing like this. So again click on open. Strangers. Click on strangers. So we'll get side thing. If you untick carriage, this will be gone. Both things is gone. Just click on carriage. Handle, handle, right handle, right part, like that. Now length, width, keep it like this. Range, and here settings of riser. In this riser thing, we can edit only two. Just you can, if you want to freeze this, you can edit this too. If you want to freeze this, you can edit these two. If you want to freeze this, you can edit these two. You have to select on these three options. You have to select any two. You can edit only any two at a time. So if you so that you have to freeze one thing and you can edit only two. So now I'll keep the riser count. Let's say 10. Now riser height. Let's say 6 inch. So overall height riser is 4 feet 7 inches, 4 feet 2 inches. Let's make it as 10. So the riser is increased. 5 feet. So like this we can get fixing the riser height as a 5 inch and then overall height 5 feet so that we'll need 12 counts. Like this we can edit. So thickness, to change the thickness, that give me a depth as 10 inch. Now we can edit carry depth of in. We can increase the width like this. Click on this, count 1, 2. So we can increase the number of beams, carriage beams. Let's keep it one only. Spacing. So let leave this as it is. Cancel it. Now we have a railing option. Height 3 feet 6 inch. Offset 2 inch. Segment. Okay. You have to increase the segment to make it smoother the radius that it on. Now there is a something called strangers. So we cannot edit strangers. So this is the straight staircase. Now let's create L-type staircase. Click on L-type, click here, leave the grid, and move it like this. Now go to modify. You have same thing like open or close or box. Let's this time keep close like this. Strangers, no need. Carriage will come only if it is open. We need closed. Handrail, left handrail, right handrail, rail up, rail out, mainfield. Okay. By this, we can change the angle also. In a V-shaped staircase, we can also change the angle. In this way, we can rotate it. Offside, we can change the platform landing length. Overall, keep it like 10 feet. Increase the steps. and decrease. Now change the riser 6 inch. Like this, we can edit it. Now steps, the railings. So like this, we can create and edit and modify this kind of staircase. Now let's create, go to create, and now let's create a new type. Click, okay, new type of staircase is not appearing properly. So first we'll check, uh, see the layout is in 0 inch. We have to increase it. Let's keep it like that. Like this. Now let's click. Okay. Just click and drag and leave the click. Now it will appear like this. Now just again click to move up and leave the click. See, click and drag and leave the click. It will appear something like this. And now again click and move upwards or downwards. And move upwards. And now again click, leave. Now go to modify, and now let's edit this. Keep it on close and well. Okay. From this we can swap either right or left. Now to a length, now inches, like to let it be on same width. Let it be like this. Offset. Let it be like this. And now overall increase the now fix this. Now decrease the height. That's all. Like this in the created styles. Now that's all. Now let's create a spiral staircase. Just click and drag like this, and now leave the group and move upwards. And now go to modify, open, close, box, let's keep open. Now strangers, carriage, centerfold, and then website, clockwise, this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, and radius, I feel this is something like this. We change it for 6 inch, change the height, steps thickness, little bit range, depth, 10 inch, carriage depth. Let's give it 10 inch. And now carry it. Let it keep us 9 inch. Then changes and width of the string range offset range center for awareness and keep the radius as 6 inch segment. That will be like this. Okay. Now increase the width. So like this, we can create staircase using these options. Using these options: straight stair, L-type stair, U-type stair, spiral stair. Like this, we can create staircases. And we can also create staircase by our own method. We go to standard primitives, create a box, now go to modify and change the length as 1 feet, width as 3 feet 6 inch, and height as 6 inch. And now go to modify and do edit poly. Once clicked on edit poly, go to polygon and come here down, click on slice plane on edge faces. Click on slice. Already done. First, select the polygons. Select all the polygons. Leave the bottom one. Okay, just select the front part alone and now come down, click on slice wheel and now move this and leave up to here and click on slice. And now come out of that object, go to polygon, just click here and now click extrude. Extrude it by polygon okay. Now click on thick and now click on edge, right click, give chamfer and now chamfer it like this and increase the number like this. Now press right. See like this, we have created a riser step and then we have created a nosing kind of thing. So that below this, we can also apply LED profile. Now just on the snap here, give a right click, make sure vertex is on and just close this. Just now, uh, once the snap is on, make sure vertex is on and just close it and copy this. Press shift and place it here and make a copy of almost 10. Make instance so that if we want to edit these things in later, so that if we edit on one step, everything will be edited. So make instance, copy. Now give number of copies 10. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's make it a blue. Okay. Now again, let's create one more box. Turn on this. So let's click on box. Go here and do. Now go to modify. Let's turn off this and give a right click. Okay, and just modify this and edit column. And now select on polygon, click on this, give a right click, extrude, and let's say that polygon, extrude it to 7 feet, 5 feet. Okay. And now select this, copy this shift, copy, okay. Now rotate this. Come on the snap and move it. So this is one method to create a staircase. So these are the methods, built-in methods of creating staircase. This is a method of creating by custom-made staircase. So like this, we can create staircase guys. So now try this all thing guys, and let's continue with the next class. So till that, try all these things and practice it. So let's see in the next class. Thank you guys.